Hello guys, welcome back. If your Midea portable air conditioner is leaking water, it can be frustrating because instead of just cooling your room, it starts creating a mess on the floor. You might notice water pooling underneath the unit or dripping from unexpected areas, which can make it seem like something is seriously wrong. In reality, portable air conditioners naturally collect moisture from the air, and leaks usually happen when that water isn't draining properly. This can be caused by a full tank, blocked drain, improper positioning, or even installation issues. Once corrected, your AC should run cleanly without any leaks. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix your Midea portable air conditioner leaking water issue. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the unit and unplug it from the power source. Step 2. Drain the internal water tank completely. Step 3. Check the drain plug and hose for any blockage. Step 4. Ensure the unit is placed on a level surface. Step 5. Clean the air filter to maintain proper airflow. Step 6. Turn the unit back on and confirm no water leakage.